Hi guys, here on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play My Ship Sails. My Ship Sails is another very simple card game for kids, and basically everyone can understand. The, the game is using a regular deck of 52 cards, from 2s to aces. The priority of cards is a classic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. The amount of players is 4, 5, 6, or 7. And the objective is getting at least seven cards of one suit. Deal. Each player is getting 7 cards with 1 card at a time. So after everyone getting 7 cards, the remaining deck is placed away from players and is not used. So 10 the deal ends and the gameplay begins. Players are choosing one of their cards and placing them face down onto the surface. And so they are allowed to pick up only one rightmost card, and picking up any other card, including their own, is not allowed. After after every player getting getting opponent's cards, they are putting another face down card, and that gameplay goes until someone getting at least 7 cards of one suit. The owner of those cards says my ship sails. Then they are showing every card, every card face up, and they win the game. However, if every player somehow got 7 cards of one suit in the same round and the same turn, the owner of cards with the strongest value wins the game, and other players are losing. So yeah, wait, no. So yeah, that's that's all I can say about this game. I hope you know. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Hope you now know how to play um my ship sails, and this is actually now pretty much the shortest video on this channel. So yeah, which which means that this game is extremely simple. So since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.